A large electric scooter with a powerful battery quickly turned from the status of children's entertainment into a full-fledged urban transport. People drive them to work, drive their children to school, ride with friends. True, buying it is not always rational. It is much more profitable to periodically rent a vehicle. Given the demand, entrepreneurs are thinking about how to open a rental of electric scooters. How profitable this idea is and how to implement it correctly, we will tell in our article. What you need to open a scooter rental as a business. First, you need to understand how such a service works, as well as how to register an enterprise. In addition, you will need startup capital to purchase equipment and rent a room. Starting a business can be divided into several stages. Drawing up a business plan. Company registration. Purchase of scooters. Advertising. Search for colleagues. You need to carefully consider how to open a scooter rental, what a unique offer your project has. The business plan should describe the details of the vehicle rental. It assesses the need for equipping garages, offices, hiring employees, describes in detail each item of the estimated costs. Also, the business plan should include projections of expected profits. And in order to attract investments, you need to calculate the payback period in detail. How much does it cost to open an electric scooter rental business? Then, business registration follows. To officially register an enterprise, submit documents and an application to the local branch of the Federal Tax Service. For legal business, an individual entrepreneur or LLC is suitable. Please note that work without registration is fraught with large fines. The purchase of equipment is the largest expense item, since one fairly good scooter will cost at least 25,000 rubles. If you do not have enough money for this, consider subleasing. How to successfully open an electric scooter rental. When launching such a project, one cannot do without advertising. Create a service page that details where it is located and how you can rent a car. Place banners directly next to the rental place. Start maintaining pages on social networks so that as many people as possible know about you. The next item on the plan is hiring employees. When organizing a rental for cash, you will need an employee who will constantly be at the workplace and communicate with customers. If the rental will work through the application, developers, testers, technical support operators will be required. Additionally, masters are needed for the repair and maintenance of equipment. Depending on the features of the business plan, additional tasks and expenses may arise. For example, someone has to keep accounts and submit reports to the tax office. To do this, you can involve a third-party specialist. It is impossible to name a specific amount, it all depends on the details of the project, as well as the conditions in which the businessman starts. Main items of expenditure. Company registration. Purchase of equipment and spare batteries. Hiring vehicles for the transportation of electric scooters. Before opening a scooter rental, try to ride around the city yourself to evaluate where you can move around in this way. If the road surface is poor, immediately increase the planned cost of repairs and replacement parts. Another problem is possible. In a small industrial city there is nothing to see for tourists. Then you need to rely only on local residents, offering them walks in the busiest places.